Hello, how are you all? Today we are going to talk about GMAT Quant Prep problem. But I will also mention that I have solved all kinds of math problems just for you in my channel at You Can Do Math. So please subscribe to my channel, then you will have access to all kinds of quant prep problems solved just for you. Okay, without further ado, let me get started. If P is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, which of the following represents the height of the triangle? There are five options. Now, perimeter is the sum of three sides. If the perimeter is P, then sum of the three sides is P. So each side is equal to P over 3. That's what I have indicated in this equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has three equal sides, and inside interior angle of each angle is 60 degree. So from the vertex of the equilateral triangle, I drop a vertical line to the base. And this is the height of the triangle, which is I represent by H. Now, when I draw that altitude at the height of the triangle by that vertical line that intersects the base at the midpoint of the base. So each side or or each side of the two right angle triangles that you have inside the equilateral triangle, base of each of them is P over 6. Why P over 6, you ask? Because the base itself is P over 3, and then it is divided into two equal parts. So each part or each half is equal to P over 6. Now I will apply the Pythagorean theorem. So my hypotenuse square, which is P over 3 square, is equal to the square, sum of the squares of the two other sides. So H square plus P over 6 square. Now I will subtract P over 6 square from both sides. Why? Because I want to solve for H. I want to remove the P variables to one side only and keep the H on the right hand side of the equation. Hence, I have on the left hand side of the equation P over 3 square minus P over 6 square equal to H square. Now, P over 3 square is P square by 9 and P over 6 square is P square by 36, and that is equal to H square. Okay, so now I want to convert everything the common denominator of 36. So 9 goes into 36 four times. Hence, if I make the denominator of the first term on the left hand side of the equation as 36, that means I multiplied 9 by 4 in the denominator, so I have to multiply the numerator also by 4. So it becomes 4p square over 36 minus p square over 36 is equal to h square. Now 4p square minus p square is 3p square. 3p square over 36 is equal to h square. Now I take the square root on both sides. Okay, so I have square root of 3p square over 36 is equal to h. So since it is, I know that 36 is 6 times 6, so it becomes p square. If it's taken outside the square root, it becomes p, and in the denominator, square root of 36, 6 in the denominator, multiplied by in the numerator, I'll be left with square root of 3. So what is h then equal to? P times square root of 3 divided by 6. P times square root of 3 divided by 6. Hence the correct answer choice is D, as I have indicated here. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to shoot me a comment and I'll get back to you, I promise, within a day or two. So please subscribe to my channel because I'll come back next time with another GMAT Quant problem solved just for you. Okay. So you have nothing to lose, but you'll have access to all the quant problems I've solved for you at my channel at You Can Do Math by subscribing to it by hitting the red subscribe button. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.